Robin Millar has been totally blind for over 25 years. But now, thanks to pioneering surgery, his sight is partially restored. He's one of 2 British men to receive a groundbreaking eye implant that allows him to perceive light and even some shapes. From a control unit inserted just behind the ear, a fine cable runs to a wafer-thin chip measuring 3mm square, which is placed just behind the retina.
When the chip is turned on, all of a sudden they can see the light from the chip. Now that vision is a fairly basic vision, but as they get to use and interpret the image, they should start to see a fair bit more, and already the patient is able to see objects on a table, maybe recognise a little bit of shape.
But for record producer Robin Millar, even the most basic improvement in his vision has been a revelation.
The biggest surprise for me and for the research team is that 2 days after I was switched on for the first time, I dreamt in glorious glowing Technicolor for the first time in 25 years. Not only was that a great pleasure to me, of course, but it means that the part of my brain that you would have thought was sound asleep was actually ready and willing to be woken up by these new experiences.
The treatment is part of a clinical trial that will see up to a dozen patients fitted with the implants.